Hello friends, so in this video tutorial we will create a restaurant rating dashboard. So how we can create that? So let's see, like we have taken a lot of things here, like we have taken number of orders, number of restaurant, count of cities, count of cuisines, count of preferences, like type of cuisines they preferred, and beside that cities, different cities we have, like we have 4 cities here, and we have also created an age group here. And now whatever the ratings are there, that is also there. So it is showing us about the rating of the food rating, average overall rating, average service rating, and we have a cities here. Then we have restaurant which serve alcohol service is there or not, like which restaurant provides service, count of restaurant by cities, like number of cities and the number of restaurant they have, then count of restaurant by parking, whether they have parking or not, and then if I will increase the size, so it will give us like which restaurant have get the best rating by their food. And here we have number of orders, like restaurant have got like different orders, so we have taken certain condition like top 10 and all. Here also we have taken restaurants by their overall rating what is given, and then here we have taken name of the restaurant by the service rating. So this is the thing in our first, and if we will go into our second report, what we have given again here 2 things, like whatever the orders, and next we will consumer by occupation, consumer by like budgets, consumer by children's, then maximum preferred cuisines, then your drinking levels, like number of orders and the drinking levels, then the marital status, then the consumer by smokers. So how to create this report? So let's see one by one. So first of all, what we will do, we will open up the Power BI here, and after opening up Power BI we will start creating this report. So now friends, we are on the Power BI skill. So first of all, we will upload all the files relating to this report. So I will go to my text CSV, and I have already downloaded them. So restaurant rating is the file name. So here are our files. So I will just for first one, I will open it. So it will create a connecting with the file, and then when it will connect with the file, the first thing what I need to do is to see, like it have a column, so I have to transform that data. So I will go to transform data here, and then the next thing is, like we have to change its headers. So I will go here and click on use first row as a header. So my first row will be as a header now. So it is our text. This is also text. I will close this, home, close and apply. So it will close and apply. Next thing, it will take a few seconds, and then we have to go for the second one and open that file also. So our first file is loaded. Similarly, we have to take each and every file and check its data and upload them step by step. So I will show you how we can do that. The first one is this one. So it is taking some time. So what you will do, it will take some time. So similarly we will do the other files also. So now friends, we have loaded all our 5 files by get data, and from text we have loaded all my files. Now I will go to this model part, and in this model part we will see what is types of file do we have. So if I will go there and check all files one by one, so we have here these 5 files, and we have a connections between them also, like we have a connection with the restaurant ID here, but we don't have any connection with this, like customer ID is there and also. So I will go there and just drag this here and create a connection. Okay, nothing more. So we have a connection here also, and now we have more of connections with these files. So we have one file where we have a restaurant name, and their parking prices, all thing. And one we have rating, in one we have cuisines, another we have consumer preference, and in we have customers also, customer information is also there. So these files are we have. So in ratings we have customer ID, and we also have customer ID in consumer. So in this case, like we have a unique customer, but in rating, whenever they will go to hotels, they will give a rating. So that's why we have orders here. So you can use them as an order, number of orders. So this rating one, we will from this rating we will know like what are the number of orders, and we have a ratings also here. And from restaurants ID we can know the number of restaurant we have. We can take from any table, and we have to take unique count, like distinct count. So distinct count will tell us the number of IDs of restaurant we have, and customer ID will give us the number of orders from here. And if we will take them distinct, then it will be number of customers we are taking into account. So let's check it out. So first of all, we will take your from this table, I will take this you call this card, and this card what I will do, I will put it down here, and from here ratings I will take customer ID, and it is showing first, so I will convert into count. So it will give us number of orders which is made. So the number of orders is this much. And if you want to know the number of customers we have, then I will take this, copy this and paste it here. So this is our number of order. We can say this, the first one, we can say this number of, I will just put it in number of orders. So it will give us number of order. And in the second one, what I will do, if I will click over this, and I will take them distinct count. So it will give us number of customers we have. So here I will give the name, number of customers. So we have a customer of 138 customers, and these are their orders. And then what next we can take, we can take the number of restaurant we have. So I will just copy this again and paste it here, and from here only I can take order ID. Instead of this I will take restaurant count. So it will give number of restaurant only, so I will count distinct. So I will get number of restaurant. So we have this detail now. So customers and order ID are same, because we have to check is it a customer. I will go to some other table. From restaurant I will take, instead of that, restaurant ID, and here I will take count distinct. So we have 130 customers. Sorry, if I will click over this, so we have count of restaurant ID is 130. So we have 130 restaurants, and if I will go to here and check which one we have, to we have 138 customers here, and they have given us so many orders. So this thing we can find out from here. Next, editing and all things, formatting we will do later. Next is like if you want to know, if I will go to my old report and see what I have created. So count of restaurant is there, and next is if I will go there, so we can number of cities, cuisines, count of preference cuisine. So that thing we can also take. So I will go there and copy this, and here I will take another dash, which is your cities. So I will take here from cities, and I will say count distinct. So we have a 4 cities here excuse me, and I just copy this, and here I will take from consumers preferred cuisines, and I will take count distinct. So we have 101 type of cuisines, we have 4 cities here, and we also have a number of all things we have here. Next is like if you want to make the rating wise, like what are the ratings they are giving. So I will take this chart, you can take any chart. I will take this GOT chart here, and in this GOT chart I will put this food rating first, and here I will take average food rating. So it will give us an average food rating. I will just go to this and do a little bit of your color and everything, like average food rating is there. I will go there, title is there, so I will just make it bold and then increase the size. Again I will go to the visuals, data labels, I will bold them. I think we don't require this data label, or if you require them it's okay, but I think we don't require them. So it will give us 1.22 is our rating. Target call out value we can do, we can make it bold, and that is okay. So we are able to see this is our restaurant rating. So then I will copy this, and instead of this time food, I will take overall rating, and this time I will again take average. So this is our average overall rating, and the third one is your, I will just copy this again and go there, and this time what I will do, I will take this time your service rating. I will remove this and put the service rating here and take an average. So now we have some idea about like our report, what are the average rating by the restaurants, what are their average food rating, average overall rating, and average service rating, number of restaurant, number of orders, and number of customers, and preferred cuisine they have. So next thing what we can do, we can find out like restaurant wise rating we can find out. So for that what I will do, I will put this chart here. You can put any chart. I will put this bar chart, and this bar chart what I will do, in x-axis I will take your restaurant name. So we have a restaurant name in restaurants, like this is the name here, so I will take name from here, and I will take consumer ID from here. So what it will give us like restaurant wise what are our orders count. So we have a maximum order from Torta / Capi Hopocampo. This is the restaurant here. So we can make some changes here also, editing we can do. Next thing is like if I want to know only about, I will go to this filter. If it's there, I just open this filter in name, and in basic filter I will take top n, and I will take top 10 only, and in by value I will put like this is for our count customer. This is basically for number counting, so I will put here count customer ID only, and here I will take count and only top 10. So this way we can only have the top 10 restaurant here, so not more than that. So we can find out these are our top 10 restaurant by orders, so whatever orders they are taking. Similarly I will copy this, we have a filter here, so I will please clear filter, then I will copy this and paste it. I have another chart here, and this time what I will do, instead of count I will take food rating, and this time I will take average and top 10 only. So I will go there, and from here I will remove filter. Again I will take here food ratings, and again I will take average and filter. So this will give us an idea about which of the restaurant out of top 10 have the best food rating. So this hotel, this restaurant will have the best food rating. And again I will copy this, paste this, go there, and I need some more space. So what I will do, go there, and again I will take whatever we call that your this time food rating is there, so I will take overall rating here, and in this also top 10, remove this and put overall rating here, and here I will take again average, apply filter, and here also I will take average. So now we have an average rating as per restaurant's name. And one more chart we can add here. I will just increase the size also. I click here and go there, and in canvas setting So here I will go format your report page, canvas setting, custom, and this time I will increase its size by width by 1600 I will put, or here I will put, I think that much is okay here. Okay, so this is our report now going on, and increase its size. Okay, that much is okay. Now just remove this. So this is our report going on, where we have food rating, average, all rating. If you will show our last report, so this is the way we are creating. So here I will create this also. So I will copy this again, paste it here, put it here. So we have food rating, overall rating, and service rating. So here I will go, and instead of this I will put service rating and put average service rating, and in filter also name, remove this, and here also I will take service rating and take an average and apply. So to some extent our report is ready, like where we have all these details. Next thing what we can do, we can put a filter, we can create a filter. Click over, sorry, it's on the right, just remove this, click outside anywhere in the report and just click on filter. So we have a filter button here, and if you like to put the filter here, we can put it here also. So this is our report and this is our filter, and in this filter I will take your cities. So we have these cities. I will go to settings, slicer, I will take them horizontal. So this is our filter by our city names. The 4 cities we have, and now I think we can go to anywhere and put this filter. I will put this here right above this report, and that's all in this. Or in many more other things what we can do here is we can put one more filter, which is our age. So if I will go to age there, like we have a age, if I will go to table and go to our customers, so we have a age here, but we want to know, we want to create a group of age, so that we can find out particular group of peoples in and find out more insights of the data. For that I will click over this consumer and edit query, and after clicking on edit query a window will open, and then I will click over age. So all data is okay, like they are in longitude, latitude, we don't require that at the moment. So age where we have, it's in numerical form. If I will click over this view and this column profiling, click on this column profiling and column distribution, so it will give us, like we have age, minimum and maximum age here, so which start from 18 till 82. So we have an age group from 18 to 82. So now we can create a group of that. So I will go to add column, and then I will go to conditional column, and from this conditional column I will create a age group. And here I will take age is less than and equal to, first of all I will take 25. So our minimum age is 18, so I will take 18 till 25 is our first. Then I will add another, again age, and this time is less than or equal to, I will take 35. This is our second group, 26 to 35. Again age, I will take 4-5 groups, is less than or equal to, I will take this time 45, and create a group of 36 to 45, and again I will create an age group, and this group will be is greater than or equal to, like this time I will take 55, and create a group from 46 to 55. Again an age group, this time again age, and this time again is equal to 65, and that one will be from 56 to 65, and the last one age group, again age is less than or equal to, this time I will take 85. So we have a from 65, 66 to 85. So these are our group. I will click OK now. So after clicking OK, we have a grouping here of age. So what the benefit of this is, like we can create a filter of that also, so that it can help you out to find out customer age wise detail in our report. So it will apply, it will take few seconds. Now we have an age group here. So I will go to the report again, and then I will click outside this table and create a slicer again. So we have a slicer here, I think. Okay, and in this slicer what I will do next this time is I will put a age group. Age group is in our consumer table, and here I will take the age group and go here and slicer, and I will put them in horizontal manner. So we have this age group of customers here, different age groups, 65 to 85, that much is okay. So now we have some report ready. So if I will click on this, so it will give us a information as per the customer. So like we in 18 and 35 we have the maximum customer, then we have 113, then 8, then 10, then we have 95. So maximum customers are in your this age group. If we click on the filter, so we are back on the report. If city wise we will say, so 121 customer, and I will just make it a little bit here, go other side. So we have maximum customer in San Luis Potosi, so we can have maximum customers there. And this time we can find out, if we will click over this, then proceed, and the age group. So this hotel, like a number of orders we have in this Tortas, Locas, Hippocas, and we have average rating here of 2, but they don't have maximum customers. So we are getting some idea about it. So I will clear filter here and clear filter here, so that we can have all the things again with our report here. Next we can create more things about this, like suppose like we can create, like many things are there, like budget, children, city, country is only on drinking level. So we can also create such report in next page, where we can find out more detail about this report. So other things like which we can maintain here is like customer by occupation, customer by budget, customer by children's, and your customers by your preferred cuisine, and many more, like your smoker, martial status. So that we can also create here. So I will go to the report here. First of all, I will go to this place. I'm on my first page, and I will click over this and copy this, and then I will go here and paste it. Sorry, it's not the same report here. Again I will do that, click over this, copy visual, click over this and paste it. So we have this count of customers, like number of customers, orders we have. So I will just change its name also. This is number of orders. So after this, the next thing what I will do here is we will prepare according to their, like in the first report, like if you will go to this customer, like drinking level and number of customers, like orders we have or customers we have, so we can create that also. For that I will take this funnel and keep it here, and from category I will first of all take your this time I will take your drinking level, and the next I will take consumer ID. So now we have our casual drinkers, number of casual drinkers, orders, we have apps and everything. So what next thing I will do, I will make them count distinct. So we have 130 customers. Out of them, how many of them are our casual drinkers or abstain from drinking and social drinkers? So abstemious, like who do not drink, so such people are there. So I will go there, and then I will copy this again and paste this, and this time I will take your marital status. What is their marital status, whether they are single or married. Then again copy this, put it there, and this time I will take I will remove this marital status from here. Their occupation, so I have taken occupation here, and more reports we can create. I will copy this again, paste it here, and here I will take smokers, whether they are smokers or not. So out of one number of customers we have, I will just take this also, number of customers, copy visuals and paste it here. So out of number of customers, like we have a data of 130th customer, how many of them are singles, how many of them are of smoker, and what are the, and out of this 138, most of them are students, and students are giving more orders. So if you will go to this report, we can see that whenever I will click over this, like in the age group of 18 and 15, so we will find maximum number of your students here. Like if I will remove this from here, here also I will go there and see, like students are maximum here. So most of the orders are given by most of our customers are here are students, and there most of the orders are from students only. So we can also check that also. Now I will just copy this, paste it here, put it here, and then remove the smokers, and here I will take transportation. So what type of transportation do they have? Public car, on foot, how they come. So this thing is also there. If you will go to my last report and see what I have made so far, here I have taken, instead of order wise I have taken, but this time I am taking your number of customers. So whether you can take as per order wise, or either you can take as per children's is also there, drinking level is also there. So we have to take the drinking level is there, but children's we haven't taken. So I will take one more, and we will take here children's. Instead of transportation, I will take children here. So this time we are taking as per the number of customer, what type of people they are, and their education level is like student. Maximum number of customers are student, then employed, some are unemployed, some of them are like independent. Maximum students are maximum customers are our student. Next we have created an age group, so I just check it like whether it will work here or not. So I will just put a filter there, sorry, just remove this, Control Z, move back, click over here, and I will take this slicer, and in this slicer I will take age group and convert it into slicer vertical to horizontal, and just click over this and see like whether it's changing. So it's changing, so it's showing like whatever number of customers we have in different age groups. So we have in 25-20 we have 8 who do not drink, others are drinking. Like if you go to 18 to 25, so we have maximum customers in this, like in 18 to 25. So we can find out with this where we have the maximum customers. Next I can go there and take one more report. If I will like to put two more reports we can put here. Next I will go to our excuse me, I will take one more filter, click outside, take this, and this time I will take city, and city wise we can see I will change it to vertical to horizontal. So now we have 4 cities here. So city wise, which where we have the maximum customers we can see. So San Luis Potosi has the maximum number of customers we have, where we have maximum students. So out of one, somewhere around, if I will click over this, we have number 110 customers. If we will go there, sorry, we have total 138 customers, and out of them most of them are young. And if I will click over this, and they are from this city, San Luis Potosi, we can find out that report. So student is our maximum customers, and if we will go there and see more details here. So if we will go there and take the city, which is our San Luis, and from San Luis we have the maximum, like we have orders here, and most of the orders are from there only. If I will click over this, clear the filter, it's not working. I will just click over this, clear filter. Oh, this is our total number of orders. And but if I will give for St. Luis Potosi, so we have maximum customers from land, maximum customers and maximum orders. And if I will click over this, I will get that most of the orders are from the young crowd. So this thing is clear from this report. And if I will click over this and click over this, so we can find out the maximum order is Tortoise Locus is the location, is the restaurant where we will get the maximum order. So this is a report we are creating here. Then I will go to here, and if I want to make one more report of cuisines also, so here I will take this tree map, click outside and take a tree map and put it here, and here I will take preferred cuisine, and then I will take values. So maximum Mexican dish cuisine is most popular among customers, so they generally order this, and we will get this report from this. So maximum is for your then Americans, then cafeteria, they used to go pizzeria, coffee shops. So maximum is Mexican orders they got. Other thing we can see here is, if you will go to restaurant cuisine, and I will just check whether it's working or not, but this is working with this also, so I will just clear this. Sorry, we have to clear this. Now we will do a little bit of formatting with this. To do formatting, what I will do, I will go to this view, and from this view I will click over this innovate. So it will change the report, and we have to change the colors now. If I will click over this age group, go there, and values, I will just convert them into white so we can see them, make it bold. Then I will click over this home, format, and just click over this. First click over this, then format, and then I will click over this. So now they both have make it a little bit so that each and every, okay, now that's okay, and put it here. So this is city and this is your age group. Similarly I go there, this report is also changed, and here also do the same thing. What I will do, I will click over this, go there, values and change them to white and bold them. Click over this format and click over this. So now we have this report, clear filter, and that's okay. So I will just remove this. So this is our report. We can make one more report here, and that is basically whether they are franchised or not. I will take that also. So from there I will take the same report, copy this, paste it, and then I will here take your restaurant ID. I will just remove this format and remove this also. Here I will take restaurant ID, and here I will take whether they are franchised or not in the category. So this way we can get information. So out of them they have no franchisee, but 22 have franchises, like if we will take according to the restaurant. So this is a report which we have created. Here we can give the name of the report also if you like, so we can know. And I write it here something, make it white and write restaurant review report. Then I will just go to this side and just drag it and take it. Okay, now I drag this here, and put it here. So this is the first part of our this restaurant review reports. In the next part we will do it more inside. We will like to find out more insights of this report. So thank you very much for watching this video.